Hi, I'm back. Today I will show you how to cook asperges, okay? They call that in Netherlands asperges, okay? Or asparagus, okay? In English, okay? I think asperges, they call that in English too. And then I remove the skin using a peeler, okay? You have to use a peeler, okay? To remove the skin. The skin is already removed. So we're gonna wash it and then boil it, okay? And later I will show you how to make Mousseline sauce for the asperges, okay? Okay, now we're gonna check if the asperges is already tender, okay? So you see, it's very tender, okay? Now we turn off the fire and we're gonna remove the water, okay? Gonna strain it. Now we're gonna make mousseline sauce, okay? I have here 4 yellow eggs, okay? And I will add let's say 1 tablespoon of water, okay? This has no measurement, okay? I have here 4 egg yolks, okay? You can use 3 egg yolks, but I want to use 4 egg yolks. So we just continue beating till it becomes creamy and thick. Now, let's come back here. Let's place it here, okay? And I'm gonna add some butter, okay? You can use salted butter or unsalted butter. There's no measurement, okay? Okay, so I can add that here. Don't return it on the fire, okay? I'm gonna melt it. Okay. Then it will become creamy. There you go. See? Very nice. It's creamy and thick, okay? Then we're gonna add some citron, okay? A drops of citron. You have to taste it, okay? You can taste it later if you need more citron, salt or pepper, okay? And this is salt. And this is pepper. No measurement, huh? You have to calculate it yourself. See how creamy it is. Now, gonna taste it. A little bit of salt and lemon. Very easy, huh? The family will surely like it. Always taste it. Okay. The taste is perfect. That's perfect. It's a salty and a bit salty and sour, okay? Now I have here a glass bowl. We're gonna beat cream, okay? Not milk. I have here cream, okay? There is no measurement, okay? You have to decide it for yourself, or you have to calculate it how much you want, okay? And then we're gonna beat it. Okay, here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna mix it, the cream, the beaten cream, okay, to the mousseline sauce, okay? Yeah. There you are. Then you only have to mix it, okay? There. Now, your mousseline sauce is ready. You can put this in your Asperges, okay? Or asparagus vegetables, okay? There you are. You see? It's creamy. Can you taste it? Very nice, very nice. Now here is my cooked Asperges or asparagus, and this is my mousseline sauce. The Asperges is still very warm, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pour the Asperges sauce, okay, on top of it, okay? You see how creamy it is. So I hope you like my video. And you can try this at home for your family, okay? So, thanks for watching. Thanks for watching, and I hope you like my video. Okay, there it is. My Asperges with homemade mousseline sauce. Yummy.